Welcome to all. I'm Dr. Gopal Dutt. I'm with you with this course that is Entrepreneurship Skills and Digital Marketing Strategies. This is session 2 on Google Tools and Operations for Digital Promotion. In the part 1 we have discussed different office related tools, productivity related tools, information retrieval related tools, and so on. How to access them, what are their key features, we were discussing with you all. Now in a summarized manner, because Google's products are enormous, too many products those are available for us, so we are trying to share a basic understanding of each of them. In this session we are with another set of tools, that is entertainment and media related platforms. Okay, so popular one is that is YouTube. It's a kind of video sharing platforms, and all of the people, the learner, the participants are well aware with this platform. Not need to say more about that one. So you may have the facility to create, to host your own videos, and through this platform you may have the facility to gain some monetary benefits. There are the facilities like interaction with users through comments, likes, and there are also the facilities of subscriptions. So if you have quality content, you can earn some money from your videos, from the advertising available on your channel, and you may also having the facility to live stream your you know uh, activities, whatever you want. Another tool that is related to entertainment and media is called Google Photos. It's a kind of photo editing and storage service. One can access this tool with the help of the given URL that is in your screen. You may log in your email ID, email that is Google ID, don't say email ID. That is in case of Google products, that is one thing is very important, one ID for all products. So it doesn't means you have to create different IDs for different applications. Generally we all having Gmail ID, that is called email ID that is created over Gmail, that is one of the Google's product. So you can access this ID for accessing all such tools whatever we are discussing in this session. So that is a photo backup, we can say cloud storage, and you can organize your photos, and as well AI powered facility to edit your photos in a variety of tools, and also you can share your photos with others very easily. Next one is Google Play Movies and TV. So it's a digital distribution service for movies and TV shows. You can access. Many of us, I think, accessing such one. So there is a facility to access, the content in offline mode also. You may download that thing, and multiple devices. Through multiple devices, you can access your, purchased content, whatever you have taken the subscription from that one. Now next one is Google Podcast. Okay, it's a podcasting platform. Podcasting kind of, we can say it's a audio lecture, and it's a very famous one, the Google Podcasts. You may have discover some new podcast in on the variety of topics. At the time of doing some other partial job, you can listen such podcast. You can enhance your skills, knowledge, and so on. So you may test how to access Google Podcasts. There are variety of tools, variety of content there is. Another one is new category in front of us, that is called maps and navigation tools. Google Maps and navigation services are very useful for all of us, for navigating, for getting directions, for new destinations, and you can search new locations. Street view is also available there, right? As well, the key feature when you are in traffic, that is called real time traffic conditions you can gather. So you can decide what route you have to test, you have to check. So these are the facilities with Google Maps. And accessing part is now maps.google.com as well. Such tools are already inbuilt in your handheld devices. Another one is Google Earth, that is kind of a 3D representation of Earth. So 3D globe facility is there at satellite imagery, having the access of quality resolution images you can access. And as well historical places you can check out how to access over the time. And few more things you can access geographic information about different locations through Google Earth. Few more topics that is related to social media communication, like Google Hangout. You are very well aware. Now this Google Hangout is immersed with Google Chat and Meet. So right now that tool is not on work. That features are incorporated with Google Chat and Meet. Again, the tool that is for useful one for social media, that is called Google Duo. It's a high quality video calling app. So that is URL in your screen. It's a cross platform supporting application. You can work on Android as well as in iOS devices also. It's a low light mode application. It improves your video quality in low light conditions also. Now there are some of the tools that are called miscellaneous productivity tools offered by the Google, such as Google Translation, that's called Google Translate. It's a language translation tool, very useful for different linguistic related works. URL is in your screen, so you may translate your language, your content in different languages through websites, or maybe through your mobile devices. And voice translation is also one of the key feature of Google Translate, that is very useful in real time. And if you are able to download that application, you may access for online translation also. Next one is Google Assistant, that is basically AI powered virtual assistant you are accessing in each and every handheld devices nowadays. So having voice commands control also, you can control by your voice, or that is can find out the information whatever you want. Information retrieval in form of question and answers. You will ask something that will give the answer in sense of that is a assistant, so that called Google Assistant. And smart home control is also available through AI powered tools nowadays. And that also can personalize recommendation, can share with you based on your past and based on your interest whatever. Another tool is that is Google Fit, that is related to health and fitness tracking. So your activity can track by that is Google Fit, steps, distance, and calories burned, so on. All these things, all these historical data that can present with you. And you can set fitness goal and track your progress also. You can work out with this Google Fitness, track your workouts and exercise, that how much you have done. So another one is that is Google Home. Basically it is for smart home control kind of hub. And regarding to its URL, we can say it's an it doesn't have any central URL. So one have to control voice related controlling for smart home devices. And music playback, one can play music from various streaming services. Information retrieval related one can get answer to your questions, and one also can manage your, set reminders and manage their events and tasks also in automatic manner. So they were some of the popular tools we are accessing on Google's ecosystem. Now some of the tools, those are specifically designed and specifically dedicated for, digital promotion. We are going with you. The popular one is Google Ads. It's an online advertising platform. So how to access that Google Ads? So I request to every learner, one must have to practice over there. Okay, some of the key features you can access, a specific audience you can reach with the help of Google Ad platform. You can control your budget, advertising budget, how to distribute location wise, and different, features there are available. You can also trace the results whatever you have spent over there. You can measure your results, and different, filtering mechanisms and related to text, and related to your text and query and search query, and a wide range of audience are connected with your application. So just a glimpse of this Google Ads. So that is the, interface you can access. So you'll have to click over start new, then there you will get this kind of, screen. You will have to log in your ID, and these are the things. That is basically a dashboard. You may start new campaign, click over new campaign, and that is very easy to follow whatever instructions you will get related to your ad. So you can try to enhance your skills. At first this is asking for why are you launching this campaign, what is the objective. There are too many things, like you want to enhance sales, leads, just you are about to increase website traffic, you are to promote your app, just for awareness and some other things. So you may have to select any one of the, selection. Then you have to click on next, that is called continue. Then this is the platform, that is called bidding platform. From here you will start the Google Ads, you will have to put over there. So at the left side pane, I think you are getting one. We are right now in bidding process. After that, customer acquisition, then campaign setting. You have to decide the campaigns, launching date, time, location, geographical wise, so on. Then after that you have to try to decide the keywords, that is called keyword and asset generation. And then keywords for ads, in which kind of keyword the ad will come in, top. And after that you will have to decide your budget. Okay, so budget option is there at. And finally, before launching, before publishing your ad campaign, you will have to review. Then if you will consent, then that will publish. So that is the easy process to access Google Ads. So the learners of this course are advised to must practice over there. So glimpse I have shared with you. Now the later on stage will provide some additional, content related to accessing Google Ads and so on. So another tool that is very popular for digital promotion, that is called Google Analytics. Basically Google Analytics is a kind of service through which one can understand the traffic of your website. One can track the website, one can monitor the website traffic and user behavior also. Okay, so Google Analytics is one of the milestone in that area. So one can understand about the demographics of your website visitors, as well as you are able to measure the conversions. You can identify the areas of improvement, and the key part of that tool is data visualization. One can visualize websites data with reports and dashboards. So how to access this Google Analytics, what are the phases? Just click over this, URL that is on your screen. how to access, log in your account. Then there are three things you have to complete the information and get insights only Google can give you. This is the slogan by Google. And as well connect your insights to results, so that will give you some suggestions related to your analytics in your website analytics. Wherever you will have to paste that set of code that will generate, and you have to paste that set of code in your website like this. That is account creation. At first you have to create account, you have to give the domain of your site, then property, then business details, then business objective, then data collection. So you have to complete some of the phases, like 4 5 phases, phase wise. That will ask for some information related to your website you will have to put. And after the final phase, that's called data collection, and you will get too many insights related to your website. So another part that is important for this digital promotion journey, that is called Google Tag Manager. Okay, it is used to manage website tags. That is very important, how to manage these tags. So how to access Google Tag Manager? URL that is on your screen. It is basically it's a effort to manage website tags without having any editing over their code. And as well, it's a centralized tag management. It manages all your website tags in one place. That also possible for version control, and the most important, it improves overall website performance over the search. So how to do that? You will have to put this URL over address bar of your web browser. Then that will ask for account login, and after account login you will have to give the details like your business name and your region. And after completing the basic details, that will put this code that is on your screen. You will have to copy this set of code. One is in your head tag, inside head tag, and another is inside your body tag. So after completion of that set of code pasting over your website, then you will get this dashboard through which you can change the things, you can identify the tags as per your uh, requirement for the better publication, for the better performance of your website over there. So next one is, that is Google Keyword Planner. Now that is accessed within the Google Ads. Earlier that was an independent one. Now you will access this Google Ad Planner with your Google Ads. So it's some of the key features related to find out the relevant keywords, sub keywords, some ideas related to generating new search keywords, and so on. And the next one is Google My Business. That is very important. People have capacity to design Google My Business for your own business. It's a kind of Google business profile which improves your visibility over your local as well as global visibility. One can manage the information over Google search and maps. You will also able to manage customers, their reviews, and answers their queries. One can share updates and offers. So how to access Google My Business? That is the very short journey I'm with you. So just click over this URL and start. Type your business name, then next your educational, that is called business category. Now we have selected educational content. There are too many categories you can select. Then next you will have to select, would you want to add location wise customers or not, just you have to decide, then so on. Okay, so you'll have to put your contact number, or if you have your own website you may put your URL there at. Then updates about your business you can put on. So that is the address related things, and you are accessing the business or your services related, you have to check on, select the businesses. Working hours of your business you can set, and a brief draft. The draft is very important, you have to write there over, so that the people can understand what kind of services you are offering, or products whatever. And your store's photographs you have to give there, right? So that people can attract with your services and products as well. The name, domain name of your business, whatever you will have to select. Then next, then after completion of this wizard, you will get a completed Google's my business profile. So if the people are in initial stage, they are trying to develop their own business strategy, I think I recommend you must have a Google my business profile, that is called Google business profile. So in all kind of such results you will see, that is important for your wide reachability in digital world. So at the end you have to give your domain name, then that will be okay to access. So one more tool I think I must discuss with you, that is called AdSense. Basically Google AdSense is a platform that enables website owners, content creators, bloggers to earn monetary benefit, to earn some revenue. What have to do? They will have to monetize their own platforms, so that the Google can publish their ads in your website, in your blog, or so on. So AdSense facilitates you. This is useful for the people those are having good traffic over their own platforms, maybe their own website, maybe their blog. So that is the simple easy way, that is Google's tagline, you create, we will help you earn. That is very easy. So at the end I think I have tried to summarize too many tools in a single session, that is called Google tools and platforms for digital promotion. So these are the learning outcomes of the session 1 and 2. One can understand Google's productivity and office related tools, search and information retrieval related tools, entertainment and media related platforms, social media and communication related platforms as well. One can explore Google's popular tools for digital promotion. So now next in this after this session, in the next session, one can understand the role of search engines in digital promotion, working for search engines and types of different search engines, web searching techniques and best practices, and the most important one is career prospects in internet based research and finding authentic data and reports on the internet. So thank you very much being with us.